Okay, so I've just finished doing a beautiful lip cleavage technique. You can see here is the plane of the cleavage. These are the two sexy pillows that we just developed, and then two pretty points of the Cupid's bow. And you love it?
I love it.
It looks so pretty.
Thank you.
Yay, and then I think you can maintain that like once every 6 months or so is plenty for maintenance.
Perfect.
Yeah,
okay.
That way you look gorgeous, glamorous, and not
Good.
overdone.
And just a few days before shoots.
Yes, that's right. And now I want to work on the corner of the mouth. So we're noticing a little trend to downturn. We don't want that to persist, so I'm going to give a touch, small touch of filler here in the angles. And that's just going to be really quick. And you can see already that that just lifts the curve of the mouth. And then open your mouth again. That's a very important area to treat, I think, as we use our mouths a lot for talking, kissing, and other things. We just need to make sure we maintain the